Maddi's Fridge. Written by Lois Brandt, illustrated by Vin Vogel. When Sofia and Maddi played at the park, they stretched their toes to the sky. They climbed to the top of the ladder and flew off the end of the slide. They stayed until the buildings grew long shadows and even the taxi stopped honking.
Let's play on the climbing wall,
Maddi said.
No way!
Sofia said.
I can't reach.
yes way.
Maddi scooted up to the top of the wall.
Your turn.
Sofia put a foot on the bottom rock, grabbed with one hand and stretched, but she couldn't reach the next hold. Sofia's stomach growled.
I give up. Let's get a snack.
No way.
Maddi said.
Let's stay here.
Yes way!
Sofia ran to Maddi's building and raced up the stairs.
Wait.
Maddi ran after her. Maddi was the best climber, but Sofia was the fastest runner. Sofia swung open the door of Maddi's fridge.
What have you got?
We have milk.
Maddi said.
I'm saving it for Ryan. He's still little.
Why doesn't your mom go to the store?
Sofia asked.
We don't have enough money.
But what if you get hungry?
We have some bread.
Maddi said.
I guess I'll go home to eat.
Sofia said.
Please don't tell anyone.
Maddi said.
Okay.
Promise.
I promise.
Sofia ran home past the bookstore and grocery store.
Good timing.
Mom said.
Dinner's almost ready.
Luis was wrestling on the floor with Pepito. Sofia opened the refrigerator door. Pepito peeked inside. Sofia's fridge was full of milk and eggs and tortillas and cheese and lettuce and jam and salsa and tofu and even half a can of dog food.
Here you go.
Mom said. Sofia and Luis each had a plate of fish and rice. Mom had a plate of fish and rice. Even Pepito had his bowl of dog food with a little bit of fish and rice. Maddi and Ryan only had some bread and a small carton of milk. Sofia couldn't tell Mom. She had to keep her promise to Maddi.
Not fish again.
Luis said.
I want cheesy pizza bombs.
Cheesy pizza bombs are a treat.
Mom said.
Fish is a good source of protein.
Is fish good for kids?
Sofia asked.
Yes.
Mom smiled.
Fish is perfect for kids.
That night, Sofia had an idea.
Yuck!
Maddi said the next day.
Oh,
Sofia said.
double yuck!
Fish may be good for kids, but fish is not good for backpacks. After school, Sofia and Maddi raced to the climbing wall. Sofia got there first, but Maddi scrambled past her to the top of the wall. Sofia stretched and stretched.
Keep trying.
Maddi said.
You'll get it.
I can't!
Sofia jumped down.
It's too high!
That night, Sofia, Luis, and Mom ate frittata. Pepito had his dog food with a little bit of frittata. Maddi and Ryan still had an empty refrigerator. Sofia couldn't ask for help. That would break her promise. She had to try again.
Are eggs good for kids?
Sofia asked.
Not as good as cheesy pizza bombs.
Luis said.
Cheesy pizza bombs are a treat.
Mom said.
Eggs are good for you.
After dinner, Sofia packed eggs for Maddi and Ryan.